Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ana Rizki Aulia. In this opportunity, I would like to presentation about how to make a simple soup. Well, before we start our step-by-step how to make a simple soup, we should prepare the ingredients and utensils. Well, there is the ingredients. What is the ingredients for make a simple soup? There are, first, cauliflower and broccoli, potatoes, carrots, cloves of garlic, celery, meatballs, salt, pepper, cooking oil, and chicken broth. Well, the next is utensils. Well, the utensils we need to make a simple soup, they are pot, bowl, frying pan, and knife. Well, let's start our step-by-step how to make a simple soup. Well, for the first step is peel the potato, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, and then meatballs with the knife, then cut into pieces. The second step is grab a frying pan and cooking oil, enter the garlic and salt until the fragrant. The next step is take a pot and put the chicken broth. Well, the fourth step is enter the potato, cauliflower, carrots, broccoli, and meatballs. Don't forget give a pepper and salt, and then wait 5 until 7 minutes. Well, the last step is pour the soup into a bowl and then sprinkle with celery and then eat the soup while warm. Well, for my last presentation is the conclusion. This is a simple recipe for soup. You can change the meatballs with a chicken, shrimp, and then you can add pasta if you like it. And then this soup so suitable for you if the time is rainy, and so this is can keep you warm. Well, this is my presentation is clear. Please forgive me if I have a mistake for my pronunciation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.